I'm almost hysterical. Not that surprised anymore at things that happen, but I am surprised at the casting of Rene Zelwegger as Judy Garland, the greatest entertainer, perhaps, in the world. When I go to a movie, yes, you better believe I want to see the voice of a thundering angel, those huge eyes that manipulate space and time. Nothing against Rene Zelwegger, I'm sure she's fine. People say, oh, the film is missing something. I don't know what it's missing. Well, it's missing Judy fucking Garland. I promise you that 99% of Americans are feeling exactly the way I am. Can I get an amen?